Okay. Mr. Richard.
Richard.
Yung teachers natin, tatayo lang sila if boto sila sa contestant. Okay?
Pagawa ng banner.
Yung may pinakamaraming tatayong teacher for you will be the winner. Okay, tingnan natin, ladies and gentlemen. For our first contestant, ayun muna kumanta si Ma'am Jenny Lumantas. Teachers, tatayo lang po kayo if you wanna vote the singer. Okay, translate mo. Sir, Jenny.
Sir, kailangan may translate.
Okay. Ma'am Jenny. Wala. Walang tumayong teacher. Okay. How about si Sir Noel Ravi? 1. Merong isa doon. 2. 3. Hindi ka ba teacher? Hindi ka ba teacher? 3. 3. Okay. Sino isa? Teacher. Okay. 4 na. Okay. 4. How about Ma'am Belia Maceda? Si Ma'am Belia? Here. Meron pa? Kailangan tatayo. Oh, wala rin. Sir Richard Ho. Sir Richard.
老师文正好。起立。
Okay, wala. How about si Roy Ibasco? Sir Roy. Wala rin. So which means we have sino ba yung tawag? Ay, si Ma'am Adelfa Araza. Ma'am Adelfa. Ma'am Adelfa? Wala rin. Oh. 1. Meron isa. And of course, sir, kailangan po tumayo. Again, ulitin po natin. How about for Ma'am Adelfa Araza? Kailangan po tumayo. Dapat tumayo. 1, 2, 3. 3. Kasali siya? Teacher mo yan? Teacher, okay po. 4 din. Okay, 4. Okay, and of course, the last but not the least is Sir Roy Ibasco. For Sir Roy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 lang? Okay. Wala na? We need to break the tie. 4 din. 4. Sige. Forward po Sir Roy, Sir Noel, at Ma'am Adelfa. For tayong tatlo. The rest, thank you very much. You can have your consolation prize here. Meron yung consolation prize. Thank you very much. Kakanta pa ba sila ulit? Or i-vote na lang natin? Okay, vote natin. Okay. Ulit na lang ha. Ang pinakamaraming palakpak daw. O sige, kasama na yung buong crowd. How about for Ma'am Adelfa Araza? And for Sir Noel Ravi. How about for Sir Roy Ibasco? Wala na. Sir Roy, congratulations. Nanalo po kayo ng another cell phone. Ayan. Marami ka ng cell phone. Congratulations. Any message or may isang console?